We would like to say thank you, SM Galamba. And Chicken Charlie, thank you so much. Chicken Charlie, maraming salamat for providing the food for us. Thank you so much. But before your last number, guys. Buti pa kayo.
Second floor! Third floor!
What's up, guys?
Heaven!
Dito sa likod, second floor! Third floor! Grabe, ang dami!
Alam nyo guys, buti pa kayo, partner kayo. Samantala ang partner ko, fishbowl lang. Anyways, we'll be having the raffle na sa ating Priority Access Pass. Sinong gusto manalo ng Priority Access Pass?
Nasa kamay!
Okay, yung may pinakamalakas na sigaw, siya ang mananalo!
May buwelo sa third.